So, buenas noches. So, how all we have? We have Jyotishna, we have Abhinav, we have Arush and Shri. Who is Shri?
My sister sitting here. She only 2 years old and she knows only 1 to 3 in English.
Hi, Shri. So, sister in Spanish is hermana. Okay, sister in Spanish is hermana.
Hola, ma'am.
Okay. Hola, who is saying hola, ma'am? Arav. Hola, Arav.
Hola, ma'am.
Abhinav is also there. Okay. Hola. Surhashi is also new, maybe.
Hola, ma'am.
Hola, Abhinav.
Ma'am, Shuhashi came in the last.
Okay. Okay. So, guys, in last class we did counting up to 50, right? Can anyone tell me what is 30? 30 in Spanish?
Vienta.
Yes, trienta. Bien. Okay. So we'll do something new today. That is, okay, tell me what are your favorite, food items? आपको क्या खाना अच्छा लगता है? What do you like to eat most? Abhinav will start from you. Okay. What is your favorite food item?
Pizza.
Okay, pizza. Okay. Arav, what is your favorite food item?
My cream.
Okay. And food in Spanish is comida. La comida. Okay, so today we'll do la comida of Spain. Okay. Like we have some sort of Indian foods. The same way Spanish also have their foods, right? Like we have our Indian foods. Jyotishna, what is your favorite food? Jyotishna, which is your favorite food item?
Just call her as Jyotsna.
Jyotishna. Okay, Jyotishna, what is your favorite food item?
My favorite food item is burger.
Burger. Okay. Okay. So, and Arush and Shri, what is your favorite food item?
Mine is burger. She favorite. No, her favorite is ice cream only. And her favorite ice cream flavor is vanilla and strawberry.
Okay, her favorite is ice cream and yours is burger. Okay. So, two people here like burger, right? Arush and Jyotishna. And ice cream also, Shri and Arav. Abhinav's like pizza. So, you all like junk food, right? Okay. So, today we'll study the food of Spain. Right? You know Spanish is with language of which country? It's not an Indian language, right? It's we don't speak Spanish in India.
Ma'am, Spain. Ma'am, Spain.
Yes.
Spain.
Yes, very good, Georgina. Very good, Arush. So the same way we have the food items of that country, like we have in India. Okay, so you're able to see my screen, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, no.
Okay, who is not able to see? Now everyone is able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
So the first dish is paella. Okay, so the paella is a dish that is made out of rice and non-veg items like chicken, okay, vegetables. So this is a dish, okay, like we have biryani in India, but a non-veg kind of biryani. So the same way, that dish in Spain is paella.
Ma'am, like in India, like chicken biryani.
Yes, yes, Abhinav, you're right. Yes. The same way, but the word is different here. They have it paella. It is made from rice, from non-veg, from vegetables. It is a main course dish. That is, you have this dish in a main course. So everyone has written it. Arav, you're getting it?
What, ma'am? Ma'am, what we say food in Spanish?
La comida. The food. La comida. Okay, la comida.
Ma'am, what is this dish? It looks like a pizza only.
Yeah, so everyone is hungry, right? Eh?
Yes. But I'm not that hungry.
See, it is not a pizza. This dish is made up of eggs, omelette, and
Yes.
potatoes in it. So that is how this is. And this is served, it's served at room temperature, like very cozy environment. That is when you eat this dish. It is made up of eggs and potatoes. Okay. So this is tortilla española. Tortilla española. That's a very famous Spanish dish. Okay, everyone note it down. It is made up of eggs, and I think whenever any one of you will go to Spain, I don't know when you will go. Even I have not been to Spain, so you will be able to see these dishes, on the menu card. They are very famous. Any Indian dish that is similar to this? It's not pizza, but I don't think we have any similar dish in India, in which we have potatoes and omelette. Okay. So the next one is patatas bravas. So what special is in this dish? That is, these are the potatoes. Here are spicy potatoes, very spicy. So Spanish people, they like to eat spicy food. Who likes spicy here?
I don't, ma'am.
Okay, spicy in Spanish is, the word spicy in Spanish is picante.
Picante.
Picante. Okay, Jochna likes spicy.
No,
Who
ma'am.
else like? No, okay, you like sweet?
Yes, I like sweets.
Okay, but Spanish, okay. Arush, you like spicy?
Yes, I like spices with mixed fried rice.
Okay, great. So spicy in Spanish is picante, the word for spicy. Okay.
Ma'am, I think that we also eat this in Singapore, this kind of dish.
Yeah, there is a dish. Also in India, we have chili potato in India.
Yes, it looks like this only.
Yeah, it's a common dish.
Yes.
You're right. Yes. So patatas, but the name is different, right? Patatas bravas. Okay. Everyone, I think every country likes potatoes.
Yes.
You like? Jyotishna, you like potatoes?
I like potatoes, French fries.
Okay, you like French fries. Okay.
Ma'am, I like spicy.
Okay, so Arav, spicy in Spanish is picante. Picante. So who likes French fries? Yeah. Jochna, like, who else like French fries? So French fries is in Spanish is papa frita. That
I
is the
like.
word. Okay. So Hasi likes. Okay. Okay. So she's here now. Okay. I thought she's not there. Okay. Papa frita. That is the word for French fries. Okay. We'll go to next one. So everyone has written till here.
Yes, ma'am.
Any guesses? Any guesses? What is this? Any guesses? Anyone wants to guess? Anyone wants to guess what is this dish?
Donut?
No, it's in that shape, but it's not donut. Yes.
Mehdi vada.
So what is this? Gambas al ajillo. Yes. So, you know, these are made up of garlics.
They are in the shape of donuts, but they don't look like made of donut.
No, it is again a spicy dish. You know, these are made up of garlics, and with it, these are also known as garlic shrimps in English. Gambas al ajillo. Gambas al ajillo. Okay. So we have done 4 dishes till now. Which one is your favorite? Paella, or what do you think would be more tasty? Tortilla Española, tortilla española, patatas bravas, gambas al ajillo. Which one is your favorite?
I like torta
Okay, tortilla española. Okay, okay. So maybe you can try. You can, you know, Chochna, you can try. You can ask your mother to make it.
Ma'am, I don't have the photo. Even I don't have the screenshot. So I'll just search for the words. Because it's not spicy enough in meat of that. Ma'am, can you show me the fourth dish? The fourth dish. Ma'am, can you show me the fourth dish?
Wait, ma'am is ma'am left. Wait. I think so, ma'am is having a network issue or her laptop got switched off.
Please everyone do Hello?
Presentation because ma'am shared with me also. Ma'am shared with me also.
What did you say? Just write down.
Hey you! Hey you! Hey!
See, sorry, lo siento, I lost my connection. So, lo siento is the word for sorry, okay? Lo siento. Remember, in Spanish, if you have to say sorry, you have to say lo siento. Okay, so Jyotsna was telling us that her favorite dish is tortilla española, that is made up of omelets and patatas. So, to, yeah, tota de tomate y jam, kham, right? So, this dish. So, what do you think? What do you think with name? Its name?
Tato de tomato jam.
So, J in Spanish is pronounced as kh. Okay, so it's kham. So this dish is made up of the same that tomatoes,
Pronounced. Yes.
tomate on a pan and a kham, that is tomatoes on a jam and bread. Okay, so you can write it down. Arab, Abhinav, Suhasi. So next time if you meet anyone from Spain, right, you can tell them that we know you eat this. We know your dishes are such. Written? Everyone has written it? Written it? So these are all about the Spanish dishes. Okay, they are like, we love Indian dishes the same way Spanish people love these dishes. These are some of the, specialties, some dishes that are very popular in Spain. So which one, I want to ask one by one. Arush, which one do you like the most from these?
That second, yes, this no. Fifth one.
Fifth one, okay. And what about?
Ma'am, I like the sixth one. First
Okay.
the
Okay, you have changed. Okay, Jyotishna has changed.
yes.
Okay, great. And what about Shri?
What? What, ma'am? Shri doesn't like one of them.
Okay. Okay, Shri doesn't like
Shri
any of
doesn't.
these.
Ma'am, Shri that tortilla espanola. She is thinking that it is a pizza.
Ma'am, Arish is saying that
Bolo.
she's thinking that it's a pizza.
So yeah, I don't think the kids would be a fan of garlic. So anyone who likes garlic here?
And I don't like garlic anyways.
Okay, I also don't like garlic.
Yes.
Okay, Shri likes garlic.
Tortilla espanol.
Yeah, and this is gambas al ajillo. This is a dish of garlic that is lassan in Hindi, right? That is what it is.
What do we say it in Hindi?
Lesun.
Lesun. It looks me like ginger soup. If you're seeing it as
Yeah. It also resembles ginger soup, and it's little spicy again. So Spanish people are fan of spicy. And this, anyone? I think I'm gonna try this once. Patatas bravas. It
Ooh.
looks tasty, right?
Yes, it looks me like paneer. But
Okay, but it's not cheese. It's not cheese.
it's
These
paneer.
are
No, ma'am, it look like paneer.
okay. It looks like cheese. Okay, but it's not cheese.
It looks like fried paneer to all of us, but it's
Yeah, it's fried paneer.
But what about its name? You can see the name, right?
patata. It's made out of potatoes.
Yes. No, it's not queso. That is cheese. Queso is the word for cheese. It's patatas.
Isolo.
Queso. El queso.
But she said that only, and I don't know. I didn't also tell her in the like.
Okay.
How does she know in Spanish?
She's so small. Okay. So tortilla española, right? It's favorite, I think, of many of you. Who all are non-vegetarian here?
And she is thinking that this is a pizza.
No, Shri, it's not a pizza. Okay. And this, I think,
Ela. It looks like they have put well in it.
okay.
Like they have
So this one, this I think many of you have already, in some of the other way, you've eaten this.
Ma'am, they have added some parval in that, not the first one, Pila.
Yeah, the first one is mixed with white rice and vegetables and non-veg, some chicken.
Now we will not don't eat the non-vegetarian food because that Sawan has come.
Yeah, yeah, Abhinav. Like Abhinav said, it's like chicken biryani type. Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
this,
Okay. So
what is this? Click
which
that.
one?
The last one, what is it?
It was, I showed you, right? Okay, I'll share my screen again. It was tota de tomate hi kham, that is tomatoes and jam and bread.
Yes, I've written. I was just asking at the last one. It had those two cards in it. 1 minute, I forgot to 1 minute.
Okay, yeah, the card that is written thank you and gracias. So the word gracias is thanks, right, in Spanish?
Yes.
Yeah, that was what was written. So
Yeah.
now we'll do flavors also. Okay, we have 1 minute left. We'll do some flavors because we have done la comida today, the food. We'll do some flavors. Okay, tell me what flavors do we have?
We have bitter,
Vanilla chocolate like that.
Yeah, we also have bitter, sour, like sweet,
bitter,
spicy.
spicy,
Yes.
bitter, sour, sweet, spicy. What's the other thing?
So yeah, bitter. So, and what about that? Salty.
Salty. It's salty.
Yeah. Okay. So bitter in Spanish is sabor. Okay, sabor.
Do you have to write this? Do we have to write?
Time, ma'am. We are out of time.
Okay, we are out of time. We'll do it next time. Okay, so what I was telling you is that, yeah. Okay, we'll do them in next class, okay? I'll show you the slide in which we have spicy, picante, sweet is dulce. Jyotishna, you can remember it. Dulce, right?
Dulce meaning?
Sweet.
Yay! I love sweet.
Yes.
I even
Okay.
like ice cream. I forgot to tell because you related to tell one thing that is our favorite in English, in Indian.
Yeah, we'll do that in next class, okay?
Okay. Bye
So,
bye.
adios. Ciao. Adios. So, Hasi, adios. Arav, Jyotsna,
Adios.
Abhinav. Yeah. Buenas noches. Yes. Bye.
Adios.
Adios.
Ma'am, hola.
Hola.
Ma'am, may I show my drawing tomorrow? Because I just finished it. I was not able to make it. Bye-bye. See you. Bye. Wow, it's really beautiful. Ma'am. I even forgot to finish. And yes. Finish in a minute. मेरा पहले ही फिनिश्ड हो गया था